Hi guys, this is Mr. Landis. If you've made it to this point, I assume that you are going to be enrolled in the CTC or Credit Recovery Phys Ed online class. Through this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to access the course and how to work your way through it to the best of your ability. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to open up an internet browser. This one happens to be Chrome. You're going to go up top here and you're going to type in Moodle v2.mtwp.net. Click enter, and that's going to bring you up to this page. This is a Moodle V2 course, Manheim Township School District. You're going to go up here. You're going to click log in. You're going to enter in your school information and your password. Once you get signed in here, it'll take you to the main page of the Moodle V2 site. Bear with me, the internet being a little slow. So once you get in here, you'll see the courses. You're going to scroll down here to where you see health and physical education, and mine is the first one right there on top. So this is for CTC and credit recovery students. You guys are going to be in the same course, so you're going to click on that. You're going to self-enroll, and bang, you're in the course. So the first part I want to show you is right here is the welcome. My name, my email address, my phone number with extension, where I'm located in the locker room is in the boys' locker room across the arena. There's my Twitter handle if you want to reach out to me via Twitter, or what I highly suggest for CTC students, since I don't see you, is to sign up for Remind to get alerts. And that's basically just a texting app that lets us communicate back and forth. So what you want to do is you want to text at Mr. J Landis to the number 81010 to sign up for those reminders. So that's my information there. The first thing I want to do is show you the getting started, which of course right here is what you're watching, the tutorial of the course information. Then you're going to get down here to the syllabus, which I'll click on, and that's going to pull this up. All right, again, has my contact information, office hours if you want to stop down before school or after school. I know you guys get back from CTC early, so feel free to stop down and talk to me, or you can always email me to schedule. Again, there's my Remind information, but this is basically a self-directed course with online journaling, and then you're going to show up for monthly face-to-face assessments. How is this course graded? Well, 40% of the course is going to be your weekly fitness journals, and the other 60%, which is the biggest part, is going to be made up of your 1.5 mile run, your push-ups, and your sit-ups. Right? So it's very important that if you're not very good at the athletic fitness tests or the physical fitness tests per se, then you can really help your grade by continually submitting your weekly fitness journals. If you don't do one of those two things on a regular basis, you are not going to pass this course. Right, so right there you have your course procedures. Okay, you are going to meet down at the lower weight room by the arena on Thursdays after school. All right. And how do you know which Thursdays to report to? Well, you can report down there to make up tests any Thursday you want. All right, any Thursday. All right, you just go in and you tell the teacher that you are with Mr. Landis. You sign in, you do your test, and I will pick them up and put them in the grade book. All right, so that's that part. So one Thursday a month, you need to go down there and do the online fitness tests. A second Thursday of the month, you need to do the 1.5 mile track up on the 1.5 mile run up on the track, with me or whoever the instructor is covering makeups that day. But I do want to tell you, it won't always be me. You don't need to make up these fitness tests. You don't need to complete these fitness tests with me. You can do them with any instructor during Thursdays after school. All right. The second part is going to be weekly fitness journals, and I'll get to that in a little bit. Just remember that those journals are due on Moodle by 11:55 Sundays. If you run into any issues, you will be able to submit them Monday and Tuesday for full credit until 11:55 p.m. But entries later than that will not be accepted. I will not accept papers in my mailbox. I will not accept papers slid underneath my office door. Right? They must be submitted on Moodle. All right, and there's some medical expectations in case you get run into any of those. And then if you miss any classes and you need to make it up, you can see the schedule right there. You guys aren't around for clubs, but Thursdays 2:40 to 3, 1.5 mile run. You can do Tuesdays and Thursdays 2:40 to 3. All right. So that is the syllabus. Okay, so the journal due dates. Journal due dates are right there, so you can look through those, and it will give you the open and close. And then finally, your group testing dates. So you can see all of the credit recovery and CTC kids are right here. Okay. After school Thursdays, I will see my CTC kids, and I will be, and they're going to come on these dates. They are not current right now, but when you get into the course, they will be current. All right. And then finally, we get into the filling out of the journal. So right here, the fitness journal submissions, and you would simply click on one the corresponding journal. So this is week 1. So I would put my name there and my class, whether you're CTC or credit recovery. Click next, and then you're going to see the information. So on which days did you work out? You would simply click the days that you worked out and leave the ones that you didn't work out on blank. All right. And again, what was the level of intensity? How hard did you work out? You either worked out easy, moderate, intensely, or if you did not work out, that is considered a rest day. So again, you would just click on those boxes to mark your answers. For each day listed, describe the type of activities workout consists of, the number of sets and repetitions, and which component of fitness it met. Then you're going to complete all of these things. You can see there's point values there which equal 10 points, and that's how you will be graded. Now, if you are looking for an example, right here I put an example of a fitness journal that was filled out exactly the way I want it filled out. So you can see this person, she put down the days. They worked out 6 days a week and not Sunday. And you can see corresponded with the days they worked out. They did not work out Sunday, so they clicked rest day. And you can see here, she went day by day exactly what she did. Okay, Monday, a warm-up, 15-minute run, and the component of fitness that it met. All right, so that was the warm-up. Then they did a cardio workout, light run, cardiovascular endurance was the component of fitness. Then they did strength training, push-ups, 50 of them. And that worked on muscular strength. So you can see they did that for every single day that they worked out. How long did they do this? On Monday, the warm-up was 30 minutes, the cardio was 20, strength training was 5, stretching was 10. And then Tuesday. So you can see how this is broken down. This is exactly what I want. Evaluate and describe internal external barriers that impacted the quality of workout. All right, and then describe a goal you wish to improve, and not only describe it, how are you going to meet it? All right. So if you need to reference that, that is right there for you. So that is the nuts and bolts of the course. All right. So once you get in, you just look to see when you need to test, look at those due dates for journals, your fitness testing, and your turning in journals. If you can do those two things, then you will be very, very successful in this course. All right. If you have any questions, again, reach out to me at my email address right there, or feel free to stop down in the locker room at locker room in the arena. All right. Hope to see you guys soon. Stay fit.